So I've began to realize that, you know, I'm a magnet. You're a magnet. We're magnetic in nature. We're emotional, energetic beings. And there's a magnetism that comes with being human, that comes with being conscious and sentient. There's a magnetism, especially with the awareness, this incredible brain that we have in our skulls, man. This thing right here has extraordinary attracting abilities. Energetically, there's so much beauty that lies in this vessel, in this vehicle. I'm so grateful to be human. Tangenting. All right, get back on track. Okay, so have high awareness of your thoughts and how your emotions parallel those thoughts. The dance between your thoughts and emotions will determine what you're manifesting in your life. Your thoughts give intention, right? Or let me backtrack. Your thoughts give you direction, right? So whatever you're thinking about is where you're now directing energy to flow. Whatever you're thinking about, you're expanding it. How you feel about what you're thinking about will expand it even faster. So, and here's the problem. What'll happen is people be like, well, I think about money all the time. I think about money all the time. I want money so bad. I'm trying to get this money, man. I'm trying to manifest money. Yet, you think that you're thinking about money, but what you're really thinking about is your lack of money. And so when you're going constantly from like abundance to like I want to be rich to like but I'm broke. I want to be rich, but I'm broke. I want to be rich, but I'm broke. You're now directing energy towards I want to be rich, but then you stop. The processing stops because your thinking changes, your focus shifts, and but I'm broke. And now you're sending energy towards this thing, and that's expanding. And so, a lot of us don't maintain the thinking pattern long enough for it to finish processing and for the manifestation to come all the way through. I know I personally experienced this. I mean, I ain't rich yet, so I mean, I do it too. But I noticed that when my attention and my focus for a sustained period of time is towards the thing I want rather than what I don't want, it comes in and I see the manifestations taking place. I also notice the manifestations taking place faster in my life when I feel good, when I feel empowered, when I feel happy. The universe works, it has this like energetic currency. Like all of us, like in the U.S. or whatever country it is, you're working in your form of the dollar bill, pesos, pounds, dollars, whatever it is from wherever you're from. And the universe, the bigger picture, works with not dollars and cents and pounds, but it works with energy. Or better yet, it works with vibration. So the beautiful thing is, you being a conscious human being, you have direct control over your vibration. You can quickly turn your vibration around. You can quickly choose to vibrate one feeling versus another. And the the thing that vibrates on the fastest, highest, most disruptive and creative way or manner is love. Love, happiness, contentment, and excitement. Excite, excitedness, is that a word? Being excited for something is so extraordinarily powerful for the manifestation process. It's unbelievable. If you can get excited about what you want, you will get it. And if you can maintain that excitement and get more and more and more excited about it as each day goes on, you will attract it. Hands down. Guarantee. That is a key. But the thing is, sometimes it's hard to maintain that excitement. It's easier that it sounds easier than it is. But here's the thing that will allow you to maintain that excitement. Gratitude. Gratitude is the key to unlocking your ability to raise your vibration. When you're grateful for all the little things in life, it's like energy flows to you differently. When you're truly grateful to be alive and you're truly grateful for all the things in your life, it's like the universe keeps, God just keeps sending more stuff for you to be grateful for, more energy to work with, more thoughts to work with. And once that starts happening and you start opening up in that way, you start feeling that excitement more and more and more and more and more and more. And now when you choose to consciously be excited for something, it's like you're choosing consciously to manifest something. The manifestation process becomes more direct and you know conscious. So that's something I've noticed in life.